Okay, here we are in a beautiful KETER David Crown apartment. It's a roughly 140 meter, 3-bedroom and a safe room. Everything here was done to an high-end, very tastefully. You walk into an open plan kitchen, dining. Everything here is absolutely amazing, very tastefully. Have a nice kitchen here with 2 sinks, American size oven, a dishwasher, and a nice porch overlooking to a nice balcony. Here we are. As you walk in, we also have a safe room, so I'll show you the safe room right now. It's a lot of storage area and a second fridge. Some people use it as a small bedroom for a guest, but this lady, she lives here on her own, so it's really an apartment for a couple. Very spacious, but for a couple. Going out here, you'll see a marvelous sukkah porch with 15 to 16 square meter, all open for sukkah. You have a barbecue. You have some plants here. Very nice. That's the Leonardo Plaza. You can see from here the Great Synagogue, the King's Hotel. You have here this is south and west where the sunset goes. So later on we're getting some nice sun. Okay, let's go back. Okay, going back to the apartment. Here we are. That's the entry over there. And now I'll take you to see the bedrooms. That's the bedroom section. We have a washer and a dryer. Beautiful guest bathroom. Big sink. Bidet and a toilet. Very nice walk-in shower with a bench. Everything is amazingly well kept. You have a shower head, nice marble all the way to the top. And here we have 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 with an open couch for a guest. You have also cupboards here and 2 windows. Each room has radiant heat separate zone, and advanced HE Mitsubishi VRF system for heating as well as cooling. That's the office and a den. You have TV, computer corner, another couch here. Everything is very impressive. Master bedroom, huge. Cupboard space, everything top of the end, a lot of space all over, much as is necessary. You can see this is a lady designed this apartment, and that's where the bed goes. She turns the bed this way, but you can put it also this way. It's very easy. We have 2 windows, one over there, one over here. Everything is like triple glazed. You have screens, shutters, blinds, anything you want is here. Nobody saved you money on anything. Big master bathroom. Again, there's a nice tub, window in the bathroom, which makes it very nice. Makeup closet. Very impressive. Okay, here, that's it. We have a parking downstairs for a car, 24/7 concierge. you.